Hi, I'm Marge Perry.
And I'm David Bonham, and we are chefs, culinary instructors, and cookbook authors. We're here in our home kitchen where we develop recipes for magazines, cookbooks, and brands.
Today, we're going to share a spin on one of our favorite street foods from Vietnam, the banh mi sandwich.
We want to get rich flavor from the pork without slow roasting it. The key is well-seasoned meat and getting it nicely browned.
But before we make the meat, we're going to make the quick pickled vegetables that add that all-important crunch to the sandwich. We've been cooking on Anolon Nouvelle Copper for a very long time. Today, we're using the luxe version in this very handsome onyx color. Okay, to make the vegetables, all we do is combine some rice vinegar, sugar, and salt and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to stir in the vegetables and take it off the heat right away. The patties cook about 4 to 5 minutes per side, but take a look at these. See how they're uniformly deeply browned? That's because the copper layer embedded in the pan heats up quickly and evenly, so your food cooks evenly.
The pans really do an amazing job at browning, forming that really flavorful crust that makes food taste so good.
Let's make the sandwiches. First, we'll spread some sriracha mayo on the toasted baguettes. Top it with a layer of cucumber slices. Next come the pork patties, the pickled vegetables, a couple of jalapeno slices, and now we're going to throw on a bunch of whole cilantro leaves, close it, and it's time to eat. One of the things I really like about the Nouvelle Copper Luxe line is that they continue the non-stick surface, not only from the inside, but all the way on the outside, so I can keep it looking really nice and new.
And what I really love are these flush rivets. They help keep the pan super clean, and if you're cooking something messy, nothing gets stuck on. Ooh, let's eat.